can't.
Use the white car, right?
Yes.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am.
Now tell me why.
My voice is cracking, you guys. Good morning. Trying to find good lighting. I'm waiting for my ride to get here. Matt, he picked me up yesterday and he's picking me up today. I am going to go to my bus ride rehearsal. Yesterday was the dance rehearsal. Wednesday and Monday was the Dragon Lady rehearsal, which was good. But the bus ride, we only have rehearsals for that once a week, and I missed last week because of water country. But it was worth it.
Hey.
Anyway, we're gonna leave soon. We're gonna go to my grandma's house as always. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Huh?
I haven't eaten the eel sushi ever since we first tried it together.
This is just gonna be eel sushi. Not
My first time.
time.
I'm trying to put this
It's gonna be your
in.
first time?
Yeah. I've only ate California.
Oh yeah, it's your first time?
And then the other one, like last
Girl,
time we
you
went
need to
Canopy.
step outside the California roll.
Well,
California rolls
I
are
ate the different
basic.
times when we went to Canopy, like we got all types.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that,
yeah.
I love the crab.
I forgot about
I
that.
go and get the orange
So
ones.
good.
Okay, so
He is always following me. Oh! Follow me. Hey. Hey, yo. Hey, Lucky. Hi. 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 Hi, Lucky. What? What? You want a busy room? You want a busy room?
Okay.
Yes. Nah. Lucky, stay in the bed. Was I even vlogging? I probably wasn't. I wasn't even vlogging. That was awesome. Anyway, I was just talking about how I love my my aunt and uncle's playful relationship. But anyway, Lucky was like, he just ran into the room, totally all up in my face, trying to lick me, then started licking my foot, and then he left me for the mat. Bye, Felicia. Bye. Ugly angle of me, but my eyebrows are a mess. Well, my left eyebrow is a mess. I'm trying to figure it out. This eyebrow's good though. I better not mess it up. Oh, hey, Val. Hi.
I do.
Okay. What did Mother buy? Just stuff for you?
Yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to market basket tomorrow.
For what?
More school food. I ran out already. I have no more pastries left.
I want more of those too.
I should get like 500 boxes.
I got her addicted to these pastries by Special K. Look at her in my overalls. It actually looks like it fits her. She's gonna like grow into it fast.
Ready?
Oh. just a weirdo. What? Oh my god! He came so. He's just crazy. Oh, it looks so cute. Now is this Ratchet or Smart? Ratchet or Smart? This. Is it Ratchet or Smart?
It's smart. What is this? I love my bio.
Yeah.
Brought the plant.
Yeah.
First it.
Bye guys.
Bye. Can I try like a bite?
Yeah.
2 bites from this
Of course, you guys, I got the Arizona Southern Style Real Brewed Sweet Tea, like always, because this is my favorite.
Of
And
course,
this was
guys.
the last one.
Of course, guys, I get the Slim Jim because I love Slim Jim.
I love these things when it has the cheese next to it. It's called the Trail's Best. I had a different one last time, but we'll see how this tastes. Beef and cheese. Love it. The one that I got before, the cheese was a bit darker in color. That's okay.
I love Slim Jim.
Bibo! I love these so much. Valerie
mine.
saw that it was the last one. She's like, oh, this is the last one. I can't get it out because it was like sticking to something. And she was like, what if it rips? And I took it out and I'm like, I guess it's mine.
I love Slim Jim.
Also, we figured out Vanessa's plan for getting her textbooks since she is a little low in her book voucher money. Vanessa's best friend, the only one she got.
Yeah, because I don't like to talk on my phone. Yeah, you usually text your best friend, right?
I actually don't call anybody either. I don't unless I have to.
Call Vicky. Vicky gets annoyed.
What? What'd you say?
She don't call you because you get annoyed.
Yeah, right.
So the only left is me.
Yeah,
Look
right.
at my feet, ready?
I'm going to be trying these cheese nips. Apparently, the real original Cheez-It doesn't have real cheese. So, who do I trust? What if you don't have real cheese, claiming you have real cheese, yet you don't have real cheese? Let's see how these taste. It looks like Cheez-Its. These are called cheese nips. I still don't like it.
I like them.
Cheese nips or Cheez-Its. I still don't like it.
Vicky.
Oh, I catched it! Bye, Valerie. She already said bye. But anyway, I'm going to be driving to the Uncharted Art Gallery where I'm going to be having that theater thing happening. So, okay. I'm going to be driving because it's just me and my mom. So yeah, that's why I can drive. And I have no makeup on. I do have like a lip. Oh, something just flew in my eye. What was that? And it smells so gross. Not the thing that's in my eye because I obviously can't smell it, but yeah. Oh my god, there's a fly. I hate those flies that look... Oh my gosh, it just flew away. Why am I about to like... I don't know what I'm doing. Oh gosh. Pace, Valerie!
Pace!
I can't zoom you in, but that's okay.
Yes, Mommy?
Okay. I got to go because I got to use the... I have to use the map. The map, see? Okay. See you guys later. Don't know why I'm talking like this. Okay. Hey guys, so I did some painting with Charlotte. Painted this bench black. Well, from the front and stuff like that. It's officially tech week. Am I getting really red? Not really, it's hot outside. Just watching the bench because nobody's watching the bench. So I should watch the bench. Got paint on me. When I was painting it, it went on like navy blue, but then it dried down to a black. That's all good. It's good. Hey guys. So basically all day, it's 8:20 p.m. right now, and I did vlog a little bit while I was at rehearsal for Tech Week. It's the first day of Tech Week starting today. I have to go back to the theater tomorrow. Texted Molly, she didn't text me back. I need to write down stuff about striking things off the stage, on the stage. I don't really know much, but hopefully she can help me with that. I need to be reminded of the times because I'm an idiot. I was on my laptop for a bit, but I can't really do much because I usually go on to YouTube and I can't hear any sound from my laptop, which I will get fixed in 2 days. Tuesday morning I'm going to be going to the Apple store to have them help me fix everything, and hopefully I could do my weekly vlogs per usual, but it seems like, I don't know, maybe I'm not fated to do that. Even though it was kind of fun though. I love doing those freeze frames and inserting these pictures. I just love doing that. It looks fun to me, and it's also funny for me to look back on it and see, and I like to pause at the split-second moments where it's just like, what did she just do in the background? But basically when I got back from rehearsal, I've just been in bed all day. And yeah, I also went out to eat at this place called Brood, I think, with Meek, my co-star, and it was pretty good. Oh, and her friend was there. His name was Thor. It's a pretty cool name, actually. I don't know if that's his real name. I don't really know him as much. It's my friend's friend. But yeah, it was a pretty good place. She ordered me something. Like, I paid with my own money, of course. But what?
What you doing?
Vlogging.
Blocking this.
Close my door.
Why?
It's hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
I know. That's why it's hot. She picked out a sandwich for me because I'm not familiar with the place, and it actually tasted really good. I forgot what it was called. But yeah, it was really good. Do I look like a ghost or something? I don't know. Like, I'm someone that might pop up in your dreams like, ah. And there was this, the girls in there, they looked so hot. Or pretty. They looked really pretty. The workers, one of them that took my order, Meek and our order, she was so freaking pretty. I heard she was a model. I wouldn't be surprised. She's freaking gorgeous. And then this other girl, I forgot her name. Super pretty though. Yeah. My goodness. How does their face Genes, genetics, the eggs. Good job, Mom and Dad. You made a great baby. What am I saying? What am I doing right now? What am I doing right now? I think the more I talk, the more stupider I sound. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna just watch some videos.
That's all you want.
I'm sweating so much. You know what I hate most about exercising? Is that it's so good for you. Like, why?